Okay, so we're going to take a look at how to do a line plot. Okay, so if we have the scenario, Mary recorded the snowfall each day during a blizzard. So she recorded 3 inches, 2 inches, 4 inches, 3 inches, 1 inch, 5 inches, 2 inches, 3 inches, and 1 inch over the 9 days of this blizzard. Okay, so our first step when we look at these numbers is to write them in order from least to greatest. We're going to write down all of the numbers, even if they show up more than once. Okay, so let's do that together. So we would have 1 inch, 1 inch, 2 inches, 2 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, and 5 inches. So you can see I've recorded all of the numbers in order from least to greatest, even if they show up more than once. Okay, this is going to help us see the patterns with the data. Now, I'm going to draw an open number line because we know that a line plot is using this number line to show the frequency across time. Okay, so I'm going to start with the lowest number or the least number I had when I was writing them in order, which would be number 1, and then extend my number line to the greatest number, which is number 5. So I'm going to go ahead and label that on my number line. Okay, so I go from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, representing the range from either 1 inch all the way up to 5 inches. Now each X that we record on our line plot is going to represent the number of days it experienced that number of inches of snowfall. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to this first step where I wrote the data from least to greatest. I can see that 1 appears twice, so I am going to put 2 X's above the number 1. I'm going to do 2 X's because there were 2 days that experienced 2 inches of snowfall. There were 3 days that experienced 3 inches of snowfall. So this number will actually get 3 X's here. And then 1 day had 4 inches, and 1 day had 5 inches of snowfall. So this would be my line plot representation of this data. Now, if I were to ask you what amount of snowfall was the most common across the days of this blizzard, we can see on this line plot that the most frequent amount of snowfall is going to be the number with the most X's. So there would be 3 inches of snowfall was the most common or the most frequent amount of snowfall on a day during the blizzard. However, the least amount of snowfall on a day is 1 inch, and the greatest amount of snowfall on a day is 5 inches of snowfall. Okay, we can also say that the same number of days experienced 4 or 5 inches of snowfall because both of those numbers each have 1x. And the same number of days experienced 1 or 2 inches of snowfall because they have the same number of X's above them on the line plot. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this helped clarify how to plot data on a line plot.